recording. Okay, so now that we've gone through all of these examples, I'm going to give you a few minutes to work on them yourselves. But the test that you're going to have on Thursday is going to revolve mostly around these kinds of problems. Because if you can put the network together, then you understand the basic concepts. You're also going to have to understand where those IP addresses come from, either manually or automatically assigned. And you're going to have to understand, again for the test, how to convert from binary to decimal and decimal to binary. Now someone in their survey, and I don't recall who it was, had questions about converting from binary to decimal, decimal to binary. Is anyone still confused about that? Seth, were you sort of?
No, I would
okay.
just... Nothing.
No one's confused about how to convert from binary to decimal, decimal to binary. Okay, remember, you start out with your little chart, 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. And then you subtract from whatever IP address it is if you're converting. Well, actually, either way, it works out that way. So you'll want to practice that. You'll want to review that because that'll be on the test. Also, you'll have a picture of a network. You can use all of your notes. Thank you for Christopher pointing out the fact that you will not be able to use the exact same IP addressing schemes as you're using right now. However, you can still use those notes to get the basic concepts. I'll give you an IP addressing scheme that you'll need to use, and then you'll have to apply it appropriately. I'll give you basically the network addresses, and then you'll have to assign the IP addresses to the host devices. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. All right. Are there any questions about any of this? Everyone feels confident in how to assign these IP addresses. Because if you're not, I'm not going to make fun of you unless you're Quentin. Who's been through this twice.
Yeah, once.
This is the second
One
time.
time. Well, yeah, but I haven't been through a simple thing, so it's
Whatever. All right, stop talking. All right? Okay, so take the remainder of the period. I don't have my watch. How much time we have? Oh, I know what I wanted. Also, I wanted to mention the IP address problem that I assigned for homework. I will give you. I'm not going to let you make those up. Okay? You can make it up. They won't be worth a lot on the overall homework, or I'm sorry, on the overall 9 weeks grade. Okay? So it's not going to be a huge problem if you messed up on that. You can make it up on this test, which will be a huge part of your grade since we've taken so long on this section. And it's that important. Okay? So if you didn't turn it in, then you won't get any credit. If you turned it in, you made some mistakes, I will note them. I've done some of them already. I've gotten through about half of them. It's a mixture of remote students and in-class students. I'll continue. It just takes a long time to grade these. Like I told Austin over here, that I initially graded his and marked off a bunch of them, then realized, yeah, this could work. So I took those back off. Okay? No one has gotten actually, one person has gotten 100% so far, out of all of them. Okay? Any questions? All right, will you turn off the camera, please? And work individually and quietly on this. Get your notes.